Alright, D. This is a little weird one, but it's not hard. It's just kind of strange. So we're going to multiply everything by 2. So that's going to give me e to the x minus e to the negative x equals 10. Okay? Now, I'm going to rewrite e to the negative x, and I'm going to write it as e to the x minus 1 over e to the x equals 10. To be able to add or subtract, I have to have a common denominator, and so I'm going to have to multiply everything by e to the x. So this gives me e to the 2x minus 1 equals 10 e to the x. Alright, well, I've got what looks like a quadratic formula, e to the 2x minus 10e to the x minus 1 equals 0. The thing of it is, I have e to the x, and some of you are saying, well, put natural logs on it. I can't do that because I have a subtraction sign. That only works if I have e to the x by itself. I cannot do it if I have terms being subtracted. So this looks like a quadratic, so we're going to use u substitution, and we're going to let u equal e to the x. U is going to equal e to the x. So if u is equal to e to the x, this would be u squared minus 10u minus 1 equals 0. So I'll rewrite it over here. U squared minus 10u minus 1 equals 0. That is not factorable, so I have to use the quadratic. So what I know about the quadratic is it's going to be e to the x is equal to u is equal to negative 10 plus or minus the square root of 10 squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. That's going to be e to the x equals, well, that would be 10 plus or minus the square root of 104 divided by 2. Oh my goodness, I didn't leave myself enough room. I'm going to have to move up. So I'm just going to move up here. I have room. E to the x equals 10 plus the square root of 104 divided by 2, which that's going to equal 10 plus or minus 2 the square root of 104 divided by 4 gives me 26 over 2. So e to the x is equal to 10, 2 will go into 10 5 times, so that's going to become 5. Plus or minus 2 over 2 is 1, so the square root of 26. Now, one more step. I've got e to the x now, and so that becomes natural log of e to the x is equal to natural log of 5 plus or minus the square root of 26. And so this becomes x equals natural log of 5 plus or minus the square root of 26. I kind of shorted my paper there. Okay. So that's our final answer. And that's how you find it. That's how you solve for E in this problem. Okay.